Encountering the account not active yet message with Tesco Mobile can be frustrating. This typically means your SIM card hasn't been fully registered on the network or your number hasn't finished transferring. Here's what to do right now. First, check your activation status directly within the Tesco Mobile app or by texting status to 07624 800 800. This will give you a direct update on the activation process. Next, power cycle your phone by turning it off completely, waiting a few seconds, and then turning it back on. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network connection during this process. If these initial steps don't resolve the issue within a few hours, it's time to contact Tesco Mobile support directly. Have your order details ready to expedite the process. If the account not active yet message persists beyond 20 to 48 hours, double check that your SIM card is correctly inserted into your phone with the gold contacts facing down. For number porting delays, transferring your number from another provider can take 1 to 3 days because it depends on both your previous and current carrier's systems. Ensure your pack hasn't expired. These codes are typically valid for 30 days. If the porting delay exceeds 7 days, escalate the issue to Ofcom, the UK's communications regulator. Also consider that incorrect billing information or address verification issues can cause delays. Keep in mind that Tesco Mobile is an MVNO, meaning they rely on networks like O2 and EE, which can sometimes introduce unforeseen delays. Tesco may offer free data as compensation for extended wait times. If all else fails, request a new pack code from your previous provider to restart the porting process.